joined this program, my HbA1c was significantly high. It was in the range of 10.6. And the first HbA1c reading I had after 3 months of time under the diabetic care program of Dr. Uma, my reading came down to 8.2, which is fantastic. My name is Jyotirmoy Ghosh. I am right now 47 years old. I have been diagnosed for diabetes in 2005. So it's been like 16 years since I'm diabetic. So when I joined this diabetic care program, it's like 4 to 5 months now since I'm in this program. At that point of time, I was taking 4 tablets for diabetes, out of which one was pretty high, containing the glimepiride. I used to have one in the morning and one in the night. With the reduction of the medicine, it's now come down to 2 tablets. The main difference that I see between how Dr. Uma has been treating me and versus the other doctors that I've been treated before, whenever there's either a sugar fluctuation or it goes high, I mean, they basically go ahead and change the medication to see how they can control the sugar, right? But in this case, it was slightly different in the form that from day one, I think the target for Dr. Uma was to see how do I reduce the medicine intake, right? So although I was taking like 4 tablets, she did not take up those tablets, from my daily routine on day 1, right? So she gradually, took off the tablets for a 1-week dose or a 2-week dose, and then cut off that tablet, right? And then bring back on a reduced medicine. That's what I would say, right? From a doctor perspective, from a monitoring perspective, from availability of a doctor perspective, or me reaching out to the doctor, right, or communicating via the mFine app, that I need to consult a doctor. I mean, they were always handy for me, right, at any point of time. The second pro is the continuous and active monitoring by both the doctors, towards the patient, to see that, the patient, how is the patient doing, right? And I think their end goal is basically to take me out, of diabetes, as soon as possible. And they are doing it in a very structured way, in a very subtle way, that basically becomes a very seamless experience. Obviously, it's not only the medicines, but the diet plays a bigger role. And I feel that, my dietitian, Dr. Bhavi Palwar, has been exceptionally good in monitoring me on a very, very regular basis and making very subtle changes to the diet. Biggest differentiating factor when I, consulted other dietitian versus what Dr. Bhavi was trying to make the subtle changes in my diet. Generally, what I've seen is that, when you go and consult a dietitian, they basically come out with a kind of diet chart, which makes it really difficult to follow, given you are on a different lifestyle, different habit of eating, and then all of a sudden, the sudden drastic change, it's not sustainable. So in my case, what Dr. Bhavi did is that she has been making very subtle changes on a week-to-week basis, not constraining myself from like not eating anything and everything, but limiting in such a way and making the changes that it was so seamless. I didn't even realize that, by the end of 3 months, I don't have any carbs in my breakfast and neither in my diet, and it's pretty okay to me, right? I didn't feel any significant difference in terms of the food either, and the changes were so gradual, induced slowly in a way, that I didn't feel that, really, I've drastically changed myself from what I was eating before. The doctors are very diligent, who basically take up your case. They strive to make sure that, without without drastic changes, either in your lifestyle or the way you do things. They try to basically make you or get healthy. Thank you, M-Fine, for doing what you do. You folks are doing a great job.
Don't forget to like and share this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to the M-Fine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.